Your job pays you when you show up, but the quietest wealth systems pay after you set them up. Subscribe and turn on notifications because one boring money system can change your next 20 years. That is the part most people miss. They keep chasing more hours, more overtime, more hustle, while boring little money tasks quietly do the work in the background. And some of those boring tasks can become more valuable than the job itself. Task 1. Automate before life touches the money. Meet Carlos. He makes normal money, full-time job, rent, car insurance, groceries, a phone bill that somehow keeps growing. Every month he says, "I'll save what's left." And every month, nothing is left. So he stops trusting leftover money. He automates first. A small amount goes to savings. A small amount goes to investing. A small amount goes to debt. Before he sees it, before he spends it, before life starts negotiating. That is boring, but it is powerful. Task 2. Turn on the retirement machine. Carlos logs into his 401k and does something most people delay. He increases his contribution, not dramatically, just enough to start. For 2026, the IRS says the 401k employee contribution limit is $24,500. The IRA limit is $7,500. Most people do not need to max out today. They need to start the machine. Because a dollar invested quietly at 30 can work longer than a dollar earned exhausted at 55. Task 3. Auto-raise your savings. Here is the lazy trick. Carlos turns on automatic contribution increases, 1% more every year. That is it. No vision board, no dramatic budget meeting, just one small raise to his future self every year. Most people wait until they feel ready to save more, but ready is unreliable. Automation does not care how motivated you feel. It just runs. Task 4. Move sleeping cash. Carlos has emergency money sitting in a traditional savings account. Safe? Yes. Working hard? Not really. In 2026, some high-yield savings accounts are paying far more than the national savings average. NerdWallet says HYSAs may earn up to around 4% APY, while the national average is about 0.38%. Same cash, different parking spot. That is the boring task. Move idle money where it can actually breathe. Not risky, not flashy, just smarter placement. Task 5. Make every raise disappear. The next time Carlos gets a raise, he does not let lifestyle grab the whole thing. He splits it first. Some to investing, some to debt, some to savings, some to life. Because if your lifestyle gets first access to every raise, your lifestyle will eat the whole raise and still act hungry. This is why people make more money and still feel broke. The income changed, the system did not. If this is helpful, tap like. More people need boring money systems, not burnout. Task 6. Build a one-fund investing habit. Carlos used to think investing meant picking the perfect stock. So he did nothing. Too many choices, too much noise, too much fear. Then he chooses a simple broad market fund or target date style portfolio and automates monthly contributions. Not exciting, but that is the point. Task 7. Reinvest everything. Dividends, interest, cashback, small deposits. Carlos used to treat tiny money as spending money. Now he reinvests it because small money becomes powerful when it stops escaping. A $12 dividend does not feel life-changing. A $12 dividend reinvested for years becomes part of a bigger machine. Quiet wealth is built by money that keeps getting put back to work. Task 8. Rent something you already own. Carlos has one thing many people overlook: unused space. A parking spot, a garage corner, a storage shelf, a spare room sometimes. Not everyone has this, but if you do, it can become income without another boss. The task is boring. Take pictures, list it, set rules, collect payment. This is not get rich overnight. It is turning dead space into working space. Task 9. Create one digital asset. Carlos is not trying to become an influencer. He creates one useful digital product: a spreadsheet, a checklist, a simple guide, a template, something he already knows how to make. Then he lists it online. Most digital products fail because people make random things for everyone. Carlos makes something specific for a specific person: a rental budget tracker, a small business expense sheet, a weekly meal cost planner. Boring sells when it solves a real problem. Task 10. Separate side money from personal money. Carlos starts making a little money outside his job. Nothing huge. A weekend service, a small digital product, a few clients. But this time, he does not mix everything into his personal checking account. He separates business money early. Business account, clean records, simple tracking. Because messy money becomes tax season stress. If you run a side hustle, small business, or rental property, having the right structure matters. Corporate Direct helps with LLC and corporation formation, registered agent services, and business structure support in all 50 states. Check the Corporate Direct link in the description. Task 11. Make debt repayment boring. Carlos stops trying to feel motivated about debt. He creates one rule: minimums on everything. Extra money goes to the highest interest balance first. Automatic. No emotional debate, no monthly confusion. Because high interest debt can quietly undo years of hard work. The boring task is not paying debt randomly. It is giving every extra dollar the same target until the balance is gone. Task 12. Create a bill lowering day. Once every 3 months, Carlos does the most boring rich person task ever. He reviews bills. Insurance, phone, internet, subscriptions, bank fees, storage fees, anything recurring. He cancels what he does not use, negotiates what he can, compares what got too expensive. It is not glamorous, but saving $80 a month is like giving yourself a $960 yearly raise without working one extra shift. Task 13. Build a tax folder before tax season. Most people organize money after it becomes a problem. Carlos does the opposite. Every receipt, business expense, charitable record, and tax document goes into one folder throughout the year. Not because he loves paperwork, because clean records protect money. This is especially important when side income starts growing. A boring folder can save hours, stress, and possibly money later. Task 14. Update beneficiaries. This one feels too boring to matter, until it matters more than everything. Carlos checks beneficiaries on his retirement accounts, bank accounts, insurance, and brokerage accounts. Old names, missing names, wrong people, outdated information. He fixes it, because wealth is not only what you build, it is what transfers cleanly when life gets messy. This task may take less than an evening, but your family may thank you for years. Task 15. Buy back time, then use it well. The final boring task is not about making money directly. It is about buying back time. Carlos uses small systems to free up mental space. Automatic investing, automatic savings, cleaner accounts, fewer bills, less debt, better organization. Then he uses that time to build one higher value skill: sales, writing, bookkeeping, AI tools, project management, a trade skill, something that can raise his income later. Because the strongest money system is not just passive income, it is becoming more valuable while your money works quietly. Carlos does not become wealthy because he works 90 hours a week. He starts changing because his money finally has systems. His paycheck no longer disappears. His savings earns more. His debt has a target. His side money has structure. His investments run automatically. His time starts coming back. That is the real lesson. Boring tasks are not boring because they are weak. They are boring because they work without applause. The exciting version of wealth is usually loud. The real version is often quiet, repetitive, and hidden in the background. Here is the real takeaway. Your job pays once, but systems can keep working. Automation beats motivation when life gets busy. Idle cash and unused space can quietly produce value. Side income needs structure before it gets messy. Boring tasks can build freedom without burnout. I'm curious to hear from you. Which boring task would you start first? Would you rather earn more or need less? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational personal finance content. Thanks for watching.